Premchand Sir, One New Thoughts, YouTube channels, father of subjects, father of all subjects, father of missile program, APJ Abdul Kalam, Abul Patir Jenu Labdin Abdul Kalam, father of economy Adam Smith, father of modern computer Alan Turing, father of relativity Albert Einstein, father of DNA fingerprinting Elect John Jeffrey Lalji Singh, India, father of telephone Alexander Graham Bell, father of comic books Stanley, father of Marvel Comics Anand Pai, father of Indian comics, father of anatomy Andreas Vesalius, father of modern chemistry Anthony Lavoisier, father of microbiology microscopy Anthony Phillips Van Leeuwenhoek, father of comedy Aristophanes, father of biology, zoology, embryology, political science Aristotle, father of sociology Auguste Comte, father of electricity Benjamin Franklin, father of paleobotany Adolf Theodore Brongniart, Birbal Sahni, India, father of modern biochemistry Carl Alexander Newberg, father of classification or father of taxonomy Carl Linnaeus, father of computer Charles Babbage, father of evolution Charles Darwin, father of physiology Claude Bernards, father of cinema Dada Saheb Phalke, Dhundiraj Govind Phalke, India, father of modern cinema David Ward Griffith, father of Ayurveda Dhanvantari, father of periodic table Dimriti Mendeleev, father of the Indian Constitution Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, father of vaccination or father of immunology Edward Jenner, father of biodiversity Edward O. Wilson, father of hydrogen bomb Edward Taylor, father of geography Eratosthenes, father of nuclear physics Ernest Rutherford, father of geometry Euclid, father of modern finance Eugene F. Fama, father of modern ecology Eugene P. Odom, father of humanism Francisco Petrarca, father of eugenics Francis Galton, father of scientific management Frederick Winslow Taylor, father of gene therapy French Andriessen, father of modern physics Galileo Galilei, father of English poetry Geoffrey Chaucer, father of computer science George Boole and Alan Turing, father of aviation. George Shelley, father of railway. George Stephenson, father of genetics. Gregor Mendel, father of homeopathy. Hahnemann, father of history. Herodotus, father of Western medicine or modern medicines. Hippocrates, father of Blue Revolution. Hiralal Chaudhary, father of nuclear Indian nuclear science atomic programs. Homi Jahanger Baba, father of mutation theory. Woodrow D. Bridge, father of architecture's innovatives, father of classical mechanics. Isaac Newton, father of radio science in India. J.C. Bose, father of civil aviation. Z.R.D. Tata, Jahangir Ratanji Dada Bhoy Tata, father of atom bombs. J. Roberts Oppenheimer, father of modern geology. James Hutton, father of the American Constitution. James Madison, father of geography. James Reynolds, father of modern education. James Amos Comenius, father of modern democracy. John Locke, father of artificial intelligence. John McCarthy, father of robotics. Joseph F. Engelberger, father of biotechnology. Carl Ehrlich, father of blood groups. Carl Landsteiner, father of bacteriology. Louis Pasteur, father of Indian physiology or father of allogy in India. M.O.P. Ingers, Mandayams, Osuri, Partha Sarthi Ingers, father of Green Revolution. M.S. Swaminathan, India, father of modern economy. Paul Samuelson, M.J. Ranade, Mahadev Govind Ranade, father of Indian economy. Father of the nation India, Mahatma Gandhi. Father of modern economic reforms India, Manmohan Singh. Father of nuclear science, Marie Curie and Pierre Curie. Father of mobile phone, Martin Cooper. Father of quantum mechanics, Max Planck. Father of electronics, Michael Faraday. Father of peasant movement, M.G. Ranga. George Nini Ranga. Nayu Flu, father of modern political science. Niccolo Machiavelli, father of modern astronomy. Nicholas Copernicus, father of the Green Revolution. Father of agriculture. Normal Ernest Borlaug, father of nuclear chemistry. Otto Hahn, father of Sanskrit grammars. Panini, father of genetic engineer. Paul Birch, father of agronomy. Peters de Gressenji, father of modern management. Peter George Ferdinand Druckers, father of television. Philo Farnsworth, father of modern Olympic, Pierre de Coubertin, father of modern dentistry, Pierre Fauchard, father of linguistic democracy, Pote Sri Mulu, father of number, Pythagoras, father of modern India, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, father of Indian ethology, Ramdev Misra, father of emails, Ray Tomlinson, father of philosophy, Rene Descartes, father of nanotechnology, Richard Smalley, father of cytology, Robert Schultz, father of thermodynamics, Sadi Carnot, father of India's communication revolution, Sam Pitroda, father of New France, Samuel de Champlain, father of veterinary science, Salihotra, India, father of physiology, Sigmund Freud, father of plastic surgery, Sir Harold Gleich, father of civil engineering, John Smeaton, Sir Dhumdhams, Visvesvaraya, India, father of Air Force, Subroto Mukherjee, father of surgery, Susruta, father of botany, Theophrastus, father of endocrinology, Thomas Edison, father of white revolution, Vergil Florence, father of space programs, Vikram Sarabhai, father of Pentium chips, Vinod Dham, father of internet, Vint Cerf, father of American football, Walter Chauncey Crumb, father of physiology, Wilhelm Wundt, father of blood circulation, William Harvey, father of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, father of Hindi, Bhartendu Harishchandra. If this video is useful, then please like, please share, please subscribe, please press the bell icon, select all for new videos. Premchand Sir, One New Thoughts YouTube channels. Thanks for watching.